that sizzle you're seeing right now almost didn't happen. Yep, this beef sizzler was this close to being a complete disaster. Let me take you behind the scenes. So, I had my beef all prepped, the sauce ingredients lined up, everything looked perfect. The beef was fried beautifully, the sauce was simmering away, the kitchen smelled amazing until I took that one spoonful to taste it. And my heart dropped. It tasted off, not just slightly, like completely wrong. I stood there thinking, okay, this is it. Dinner's ruined, time to stop recording and start over. Because honestly, at 7 pm, my patience level was at zero, and my brain was already whispering, just make a simple soya sauce corn flour mix and call it a night. But something in me said, wait, let's not give up yet. So before I scrapped the whole thing, I decided to test it. I dipped just one piece of beef into the sauce, gave it a minute and tasted again. And oh my goodness, it worked! The flavors blended, the richness balanced out, and suddenly that failed sauce turned out into something magical. That moment reminded me, cooking is honestly so much like life. Sometimes you think you have messed it all up. You panic, you are ready to quit, and then with just a bit of patience, everything comes together. So, to my fellow home cooks and cookfluencers, don't be fooled by the pretty photos and perfect reels. We mess up too. We burn, oversold, underseason, and sometimes have full-blown sauce meltdowns at 7 pm. But that's the beauty of it. Cooking isn't about perfection. It's about patience, instinct, and a little faith in your own hands. And remember, we're not here to pass a MasterChef test. We are here to feed the people we love and ourselves with a little kindness. So the next time your sauce looks like it's failing, breathe, taste, adjust. Because sometimes the best dishes are the ones that almost didn't make it. And that, my friends, is how this beef sizzler turned into my 7 pm redemption story. And presenting to you is my recipe for the most asked in my inbox, my beef sizzler that almost never made it.